Good morning, traders. Hope you guys are doing well. Super excited you're here today. 2 for 2, longs take longer. Had to be very patient with one of them. Was scooping the fear on up right down to daily support. Just took a little bit more time than usual. Was very happy there, was patient. Didn't let the emotions control the trade. I control the trade. You control the trade. Don't let anything else dictate the trade. Now, traders, one long, one short today, remaining objective, non-biased, just trading what is, not trading out of prediction or what I want to be. And that's what consistency is. It's doing the same thing each and every day, remaining objective, unbiased. I've seen this story before. I know how this movie ends. I'm presenting you guys with the blueprint to your success. You're going to have to build the house, though. Experience is your best teacher. Getting in front of the screen, seeing these stocks day in and day out, understanding their personalities, understanding your edge, finding that, and trading it day in and day out, removing the randomness. Random trading equals random results. Let's get into the trade today. CLF on the panic. Wouldn't mind starting this under 7. Alright, I'm in CLF. A few shares here, starter position. Here's the chart I'm looking at, the daily chart here. Coming down to support. Getting oversold on the daily especially too. I have another order out at 679 if we continue to panic here. Alright, I just got another ad on it. An order out. I'm starting not to like this one as much just because it's really slow. We are still coming down to support here. But I may look to punch out of this one. I'm going to see what it's going to do right around this area. Around the 675. That is nice support on the daily. But I'll look to get my final ad here, and it either works or it doesn't. This one continues to sell through 670. Look for the final ad coming down to support. If it doesn't work, there's going to be right or right out. Understanding longs take longer, but this one is kind of stair-stepping. You know, it's not. Normally, I'm buying the fear, not buying the slow and gradual, selling. I don't really want this one back under lows of 672. At this point, that's kind of my stop. At the lows of 672. Kind of want this one to just start turning back around here after that green candle, not continue to sell on off. I could have punched out break even here. 683 is my average on it. I was trying to give it a little bit of room there to work for me. Still am. It's not over yet. I gotta let this one play around a little bit because it is a higher float stock. So, stop is still under lows of 672. We just now got above the 9 EMA coming up to the VWAP. So, we'll see what this one is going to do, how it's going to react around this level. Of course, would be smart to lock in around VWAP, at least a partial. We'll see how much buying volume we're going to get around the VWAP here. Because we're going to need quite a bit to get on up through it. We may see a hard reject, or we may see strong green volume coming in to push this up through it. Here we are getting some good volume, some good orders are coming in. Longs take a little longer, trying to be patient here. We just now got above VWAP. I want to see if we're going to hold this level. Looking to take half off here shortly, but want to see if it's going to hold this VWAP. We haven't had a pullback yet. VWAP's at 687, 692 orders, 693 orders. I'm going to take half at 693. And the rest of these shares I'm going to take if it cracks back under the VWAP at 687. But if not, if we continue to push up towards $7, I do want to take these shares over $7. It was only smart to lock in a partial there, though, because we're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles right now. We haven't seen a pullback. So I wanted to lock in a partial there just to guarantee, we're going to be green on this trade. Now, I adjusted my risk just because I want to stay green on this trade. If it goes down to 688, I'll still be green on the rest of the shares. If it breaks under that VWAP, we'll just lock the rest of the position there. But I am looking to sell the rest here, at least another 25% up through 7. So I just sold 50% of my shares, looking to sell another 25% up through 7, and then the rest of them I'll let work throughout the day. But it would not surprise me at all right now if we do see a pullback back down to the VWAP around 688, 689. Kind of like it's doing right now. We're pulling back a little bit. It's only normal, guys. This thing has gone straight up about 7 or 8 green candlesticks up through the VWAP on strong volume. So it's only normal for this thing to pull back a little bit. I want to leave it some room to do that. See, the biggest money is made in the time sitting, not really necessarily anything else. A lot of the money is made sitting and being patient, and that's what we've been doing. Patient with a P-A-Y. But you cannot allow your emotions to trade for you. You got to, control the emotions. You got to be in the driver's seat here, and and you're trading the stock, not anything else. So we're seeing some selling pressure, upper wick there. Gonna see what it's gonna do around this VWAP. If it might break under a little bit, then pull back up through it. Just gonna keep an eye here and pay close attention to see what it's gonna do. Obviously, I'm gonna stay green here on this trade. If it sells under the VWAP, it's probably gonna be falling kind of hard there. Trying to be patient here with it though. It's slowing down quite a bit. I may look to just get out the rest of this here shortly, because it is slowing down. Longs may get exhausted here. Yeah, it's cracking under the VWAP right now. All right, I'm out all the rest of it. Man, yeah, that's a nasty drop right there. So, could have locked in all of it up at 694, 693. But, this is what, gives the most opportunity to make more money. So the rest of those shares, the other half, I stopped out, right under the VWAP, pretty much at my average price. And so you either make more money with leftovers or you break even with leftovers. That's just how it goes. Now let's move on to the next stock. The next one I'm watching right now is kind of BIG. I like the daily here. Taking a look at the daily chart, coming up to that 50-day moving average, 22.13. Okay, I'm going to start BIG at 21.68. I do like this one up towards 22.14. I'm definitely going to space out the 3 ads for 22.14. Alright, I'm definitely going to have to take this on the wash here. See how much more it wants to give us real quick. Alright, I'm all out of that at 21.50. Just had my starter entry, so just came all out of that one right there. Of course, this one's probably going to be the one that I should be leaving leftovers on instead of CLF. I'm just going to end there, traders, today. Just those 2 trades. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit me up if you guys have any questions. AveryDayTrading@gmail.com. Traders, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing tomorrow.